Is your Namecheap website footer still showing last year's copyright? That tiny detail can make your entire site look outdated or unprofessional. Worse, it can confuse visitors about when your content was actually published. But here's the good news. You can fix it in under 2 minutes, and you don't need to write a single line of code. I'll walk you through every click. Here's the plan. I'll show you exactly where to go in the Namecheap SiteMaker dashboard, how to open your site editor, and where to find the footer text to edit.
Just follow these steps, and by the end, your footer will show the correct year and business name, looking clean and trustworthy. All right, let's dive in. First, open up your browser and head over to the Namecheap Website Builder dashboard. This is the main control center for all your sites. You'll want to log in if you haven't already, and then look for your site in the list. Once you're there, you'll see your site displayed with a few options. And here's the really important part. You need to click on the highlighted area that says Edit Site, or has an edit icon next to your site name. This opens the visual editor where you make all your changes. So now that we're inside the editor, you'll see your website just as your visitors would. On the left side, there's a panel showing all the different sections of your page. Take a moment to scroll down through that panel until you see Footer. It might be labeled something simple like Footer or Footer Section. Click on it. This selects the footer area and brings up its settings. Inside the footer settings, look for the copyright text. It's usually a line that says something like Copyright 2024, your business name, or just a generic copyright symbol. Click directly on that text block where the year and business name appear. An editing panel should pop up, letting you type in exactly what you want. Change the year to the current one, double-check your business name is spelled correctly, and feel free to add any extra information, like all rights reserved, if that suits your style. Once you're happy with what you've typed, you need to save it. Look for a button that says Continue or Apply. It's usually at the bottom of the editing panel or in the top right corner. Click that. Don't worry, your work isn't lost. This just keeps the changes in the editor, but doesn't push them live yet. Now here's the step where most people get nervous, but you don't need to. Use the Preview button in the top toolbar. This shows you exactly how your site will look to visitors. Scroll down to the footer and confirm everything looks correct. The year is right, the spelling is right, the formatting matches the rest of your site. If something looks off, just click back into the footer settings and tweak it. Once you're satisfied, hit the Publish button. Your site will process for a moment. This might take a few seconds depending on your connection. After publishing, open a new browser tab and type in your live website address. Navigate down to the footer and take one last look. This is the real confirmation. If the copyright still shows the old information, don't panic. Clear your browser cache or check that you didn't accidentally leave the site builder with unsaved changes. Also, make sure no one else on your team has the site editor open at the same time, because that can cause conflicts. And that's it. Your website footer now shows the correct, professional copyright information. No coding, no stress, just a quick fix that makes a big difference. Thanks for sticking with me through this tutorial. Now go ahead and impress your visitors with that polished, up-to-date footer.